Hey everyone, welcome to Southern Seasons. My name is Jody and I am so glad that you have joined me today. If you love decorating, DIYs, thrifting, and tablescapes, then this is the channel for you. Today's video, I am going to be in my entryway by my staircase and I am going to do a spring vignette on my little table. You know, today here, it is really cold. We are going to be in the low 20s today and tomorrow, and as you can kind of see here, it is already starting to lightly snow. I think they said 2 to 5 inches. So I'm going to be holed up in my craft room for the next 2 days, but I thought I'd get a little bit of decorating done here on this table. Now, I had done some other vignettes on here, but I've decided to do something with blue and yellow in this area. I am using the 3 pieces that I thrifted and did a DIY on. This is the first one over here on the right. And then I've just added this cute little arrangement with my blue vase. Now I'm going to be adding this little bunny. I love how this bunny looks. It looks like he's kind of holding on to the vase here. I also want to add some greenery over here. And I'm also going to be adding a bird's nest in that little section right there. I think that this looks so cute, how this is right here. So this is all I'm going to do on the right side. Now on the left, I have another one of those pieces here. And I will be also adding the 3rd piece right there. Now, I want to get some greenery in here too. So I'm going to add a few pieces of greenery in between the 2 pieces here. And then I want to add some eggs. I've placed these 3 eggs by this piece over here on the right, and I'm also going to I've also added a couple of the eggs here and some moss. The next thing I want to work on is the chair that I'm set here. I think I might leave this chair here, I'm not sure yet, but let's get it decorated real quick. I have this throw on here that coordinates with the blue that I'm using on the table. And I'm going to place this cute pillow here with the bird's nest on it. This is actually just a pillow cover that I got from Amazon. Then I have a little bunch of flowers here that I tied together with some ribbon that I am just going to tuck underneath the pillow. And that is all that I will be doing on the chair here. I also want to add something down here on the right side of the table to cover up the cord, and I also have a timer on there. So I have this cute little arrangement that I did in this basket. It already had all the greenery in it, and I just added the flowers. And I'm just going to tuck this down in here to cover up the cord and the timer. Okay, so let's take a look here how this is looking. I am loving the blue and the yellow. I think it goes great with the brick background here. Just kind of pan around, see how it looks all together. I thought about put something above the wreath, but I think I'm just going to leave it the way it is. All right, now let's get a few close-ups here. Come in here and we can check everything out really close. Now this pillow cover here that I got from Amazon came in a set of 4, and I will have the link down below if you are interested in it. I was going to add some blue flowers down in the arrangement, but I actually couldn't find any more. I don't have a lot of blue flowers for some reason. I have some tulips, but I'm going to use them somewhere else. Okay, for the rest of the day, I think I'm going to be in my craft room. I got to get those roosters done. I'm getting ready to do the crackle on them, and I have a lot of other DIYs I'm working on. So, I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.